In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request Upwork testimonials. Testimonials can make a big difference on your Upwork profile by giving potential clients proof of your skills and professionalism, especially if you've done great work off the platform. Let's walk through the process clearly and simply. First, open your browser and head to Google. Type Upwork into the search bar and click the official Upwork website in the results. If you're not already signed in, log into your account so you can access your profile. Once you're in, look to the upper right corner and click your profile. This takes you to your public freelancer profile. Now scroll down until you find the testimonials section. It's usually below your overview and work history. If you don't see it right away, keep scrolling or use the profile editor to expand sections. Click the button that says Request a Testimonial. A form will appear where you'll enter your client's information. Start by typing your client's first name and last name. Make sure the spelling is accurate and matches how they appear publicly. This helps Upwork verify the request and makes it easier for your client to recognize it. Next, enter your client's business email address. Use their professional email, not a personal one, to increase credibility. Then add their LinkedIn profile URL. This step helps Upwork confirm the person and their role, so use a complete, up-to-date profile link. You'll also see optional fields. You can add your client's title, such as their role or position, if you know it. This adds context for future clients viewing your profile. There's also an optional project type field. Choose the category that best fits the work you did together. While these fields aren't required, they can make the testimonial more informative and trustworthy. Now, write a short professional message to your client. Keep it friendly and clear. Remind them of the work you completed together and why their feedback would be valuable on your Upwork profile. You can suggest a focus, such as results achieved, communication, or timeliness, without telling them what to write. Thank them for their time and make it easy for them to respond. When everything looks good, click Request Testimonial. Upwork will send the request to your client for review. After they submit, Upwork may take a bit of time to verify and publish it. Keep an eye on your profile, and if needed, follow up politely with a brief reminder. That's it. With a thoughtful request and accurate details, you'll be on your way to adding strong social proof to your Upwork profile.